I feel tired. I got woke up 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, me too. Well, guys, let me tell you something. Today is a special day. Really? What is it? Well, today is Kat's birthday. Why don't you know? It's on the calendar. What? Today's Kat's birthday? Yes, dog. Why didn't you say so? Oh, I thought you knew. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I can't believe it's her birthday today. Well, come on, everybody. We got a lot of work to do. This cake sure smells delicious. I like to take a bite. Not yet, Jeffrey. You have to wait until later. Boy, my girlfriend's birthday is gonna be so awesome when she walks in. Wow, she's gonna be so surprised. Oh, here she comes. Get ready, everybody. Okay, everybody, hide and be very quiet and turn off the lights. I'll hide right here.
Hello? Hello? Where is everyone? Why is it so dark in here?
Surprise!
You remember!
Happy birthday, Kat. We made you a cool cake.
Wow, it's beautiful. I love it. Oh, Doc, you really didn't forget my birthday.
I never forget your birthday, Kat. Well, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope I'll see you next time on the next episode of The Silly Muppets. Bye!